Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Congress candidate Savio new face दिला आहे आज काँग्रेसान. Okay? माका आता help कराय.
He's there 100%.
Yes.
Good. 100%.
So new face दिला काँग्रेसान. अशा help कर. Thank you.
Vote for Congress. Please,
But Congress in new face दिला. माझा support करा. Okay? Thank you. फाटल्यान manifesto आसा. Help कराय. But Congress in new face दिला. Please.
sir. Keep it up only for Congress. I'm the ex-sarpanch of this place. Of Assauna. So see to it that Congress exists in Delhi so that we take him in the right track. Okay?
Response today आज ऑरेल मंडल तिंगा तया ऑरेल असलना village पंचायत. The response what we are getting is very tremendous. वो आज कित्याक दिता response आम मेवता वो कारण एक आसा. आज काँग्रेसान new face दिल्या. Because of new face, people wants a change. That's why the response is good. लोकाले प्रॉब्लम सेम लोक कितें सांगता एकूच सांगता तुमकां वोट मारल्यार तुवें वयता. हांवें तांकां एक्सप्लेन केला. आय हॅव टोल्ड द पीपल ऑफ वेली वेर एवर वी वेंट that Congress has rejected. Congress party is still there. The leaders have gone. They गेल्या पूण all the 10 defectors, as per what Rahul Gandhi ji said, that the defectors won't. He has kept his promises. So आज हे 10 defector येयले तांकां कोणें काँग्रेस ticket दिवंक ना. They tried their best to come back to Congress. So even when we go, I have told everyone, see, Savio De Silva is a fighter and he'll be fighting for people of Wheeling constituency. And I even told them, if people gives me a mandate for 5 years for Congress party, I'm sure they will. I will keep my promises. Defection will never happen with me. And I'm come here for long term, not short term.
I'm supporting Savio because I've seen for the past 2.5 years he has supported our ZP member for the Congress and people have really come out and voted, and for that reason I'm proud of him. And now today I'm also proud that the Congress has given him the ticket and today we are supporting him because he is a man of a word who will say it and do it. I am the ex-sarpanch of Asolna also. People are also happy saying that you are supporting Savio, we are there with you. And that is how we are leading him. I told the people, give us a mandate and I will reach to the goal where you all are supposed to reach.
What expectation you have from Savio?
He is actually, he is the person who reach out to the downtrodden people and really people who are ignored and not bothered. The MLA said we will see later on, but nothing has been done. So he is purposely trying to reach out to those people. He is getting an opportunity to reach to those people and he will do his best for them.